Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about this is engineering mechanics problem. Problem number 1. The cable and boom shown in figure support a load of 600 lb. lb means pounds, 600 pounds. Determine the tensile force T in the cable and compressive force C in the boom. Here this is the boom, okay, this is boom and this is cable or chain, okay. Now in this question they are asking to find out tensile force T in the cable and compressive force C in the boom. First, such type of engineering mechanics problem, any engineering mechanics problem, we need to first draw the free body diagram. After drawing the free body diagram, we will get to know what we need to find. Okay, first if you draw the free body diagram, all the forces are acting here in this region. So if I draw the free body diagram, this is the boom and here we can see that 600 pounds of the load is acting LB, and this is the chain or cable. So here in this cable tensile force T will be acting, and here if you see due to this load compressive force is acting on this boom. That if compressive force is acting, the reaction force will be like this, compressive reaction force, that is C. Okay, now in this question they are asking us to find out T value and C value. Okay, and they have given the angle also 30 and 45 degrees with the horizontal. Okay, this is 30 degrees and this is 45 degrees. Okay, these are two angles and this load they have given, and they are asking to find out T and C values. Okay, this is the free body diagram. Okay, now based on the free body diagram, here by these three forces I am trying to make a polygon. Okay, force polygon. Now with the help of force polygon I am going to solve this problem. First force, that is the tensile force in the cable, that I am drawing like this. Okay, this is tensile force T, and second force 600 pounds, that is vertical force. So that vertical force I am drawing here. Okay, this is 600 lb, and another force C, that is compressive force in the boom, that force I am drawing here. This is C. Now here we need to know the angle between T and C and T and 600. If you first see that this 600, if I draw the same 600 here already 30 degrees is there. Okay, if I draw this, if I take this 600 pounds load here, already in this triangle 30 degrees is here, and here it will be 90, and here remaining 60 degrees will be there. So this angle will be 60 degrees. Okay, and here if I see this angle, it is already 45. Okay, this boom angle is 45 with the horizontal. So here it will be 90 degrees and here 45 degrees will be there. Okay, this will be 45 degrees. If this is 45 degrees, this will also be 45 degrees. So here also this boom will be making horizontal 45 degrees. Okay, and here 45 degrees is there now, that only here I am writing 45 degrees. Okay, two angles we came to know, and the third angle, that is T and C. If I see here, if I extend this C here, C, and this is 180 degrees line. Here already 45 plus 30, this is 75 degrees angle here we are able to see, and the remaining 45 degrees will be here. Okay, 180 minus 75, that is 45 degrees will be there. So angle between C and T, this angle will be, sorry, if you see here C and T, already 75 degree angle is there now, C and T. So angle between C and T will be 75 degrees. Okay, if I elaborate this one, this is T, this is 600, this is T tensile, and this is compressive force. Here 45 degree angle is there, here 60 degree angle is there, and here 75 degree angle is there. Okay, and this, if this we can write like this, T by sine 45, T by opposite angle sine 45 is equals to C by opposite angle sine 60 is equals to, here 600 pounds is there now, 600 by opposite angle sine 75 degree. If you calculate through calculator, we will get the answer like T is equals to 600 by sine 75 degree into sine 45 degree. Okay, if you solve using the calculator, we will get approximately 439.2 pounds lb. And similarly, if I consider these two, this and this, C is equals to 600 by sine 75 degree into sine 60 degrees. The answer will be 537.94 pounds. Okay, in this way we can solve this problem by using force polygon. Okay, in this force polygon only three forces are there. 600 load is acting vertical down, and this compressive force is I have in this boom is I have shown with C, and tensile force in the cable I have shown with T. Okay, these three forces here I have made a polygon, and the angle between these two forces also between tensile force and this boom 75 degree angle is there. Same 75 degree I have written here, and T and load. If this is 30, here it will be 60 degrees. So same 60 degrees I have written here. T and 600 load 60 degree angle, and here if it is 45, here it will be 90, and here 45, because sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. One is 90 and one is 45, another will be 45. The same 45 I have written here. So T by opposite angle sine 45, 600 by opposite angle 600 by sine 45. Similarly, C by opposite angle, C by sine 60. This is the formula we can make equal. So equating this T value we will get, and C value we will get. Okay, in this question they have asked to find the force T value and compressive force C value. In this way we can solve this problem. Let's see another problem of similar kind. This is problem number 2. This is also similar. By using this force polygon I am going to solve this. A cylinder weighing 400 pounds is held against a smooth inclined surface by means of the weightless rod AB. This is AB. Okay, weightless rod AB in the figure. Determine the forces P and N exerted on the cylinder by the rod and the incline. Okay, the forces here also. First we will draw the free body diagram. This is free body diagram. If I draw the free body diagram, first this is circular weighing. This weight will always act downwards, that is 400 pounds acting vertically downwards, and this surface is an inclined surface which is making 55 degree angle. So this opposite reaction, as here the weight is coming down in this surface, opposite reaction will be there, that is N, and this AB is there na. Here also this compressive load is acting, so opposite reaction force will be there, that is, if you consider that is P. Here angle given as 25 degree, and here also angle given as 55 degree. Okay, now we can see the three forces: P, load 400 lb weight, and normal force N. Here we need to find forces P and N. Force P is acting exerted by the cylinder by the rod. Exerted by the cylinder by the rod on the incline. This is opposite N and P force. Now in this question they are asking to find P and N force. Now I am going to, these three forces is there now, I am going to make a force polygon. If we try to make a force polygon, first this N force is there now, I am drawing this N force in same direction, and 400 pounds load is there. That 400 pounds I am drawing here, 400. Okay, this is N, and one more force P, compressive force P. That force I am drawing here, P. And now we need to know the angles. If we need to know angles, here already 25 is there. Okay, this angle is 25, it is they have given, and 90 minus 25, this angle will be 65 degrees, because here already 25 they have written, another angle will be 90 minus 25, that is 65 degrees. Here 65 degrees will be there, and another force, and this normal force, and with one angle is 65 degrees and another angle we need to find. If you see this 400 pounds, angle between 400s and normal reaction N, that we are going to find. This normal and 45 if you see here 55 degrees is there. This is the normal force, and now we need to find it normal and P will be like this, P, and normal and force here 55 is there now. This will be 90, this will be 35 degree. Okay, 35 degree, 55 degree, 90, and this P will be there. So this angle will be also 55 degree. Similarly, P and N, it is a triangle. If one is 55, one is 65, the another angle will be 60. This will be 60 degrees. If you are confusing how to draw this angular diagram, we can make all the three forces passing with a single point. Like this is 400 pounds. I have drawn vertical. This N is there now. We can draw like this, N. And one more P is there. P force we can draw like this. In this way also we can draw. If you draw like this means we already know this P will be 25 degree angle. Okay, this will be 25 degrees. And this N here 55 means here 90, here 35 degrees will be there now. So this horizontal it will make with 35 degree angle. Okay. And here we can see the angle between N, here N and 400 is there now. Angle between N and 400 will be, if I extend here, okay, N and 400. If I extend here 400 vertically, if it is 35, the remaining angle will be 55. Same I have written here 55. Similarly, if P with N, okay, N, if I take the same line here, if I extend this N line here, dotted line, we can shift the places. Okay, if I shift like this, here already 25 is there. Okay. And here will be P and N is there now. P and N, if I shift here like this, here we will get 60 degrees. And similarly P and 400. P here is there now 400. If I draw here 400, P and if I say this is 400, this angle will be 65 because 65 plus 25 is 90. So same 65 I have written here. Okay, if this is here 65, 65 same matching. 155, 165 means remaining angle will be out of 180. 180 minus 65 minus 755 we will get 60 degrees. So with this we can write like this: P by opposite angle sine 55 is equals to N by opposite angle. N by here N is the N by sine 65 is equals to 400 pounds by opposite angle sine 60. Okay, if you solve this, we will get P is equals to 378.35 pounds and N is equals to 418.60 pounds. In this way, we can solve the mechanics problem with the help of force polygon. Okay, if you like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.